A very good morning to all the children of class 3, and we were doing revision of Peter Enters the Garden. And thank you children for yesterday's test papers. I have received them, and also I hope it was easy for you to revise and give it. Okay, so now we have revised from 1 to 5 questions in the CW copy in the last video. Today we will revise question number 6 to question number 11, and from the copy itself. Children, exams will come only from the CW copy. Okay, you don't have to do anything else from anywhere. CW copy and book, please read it. And I am not giving anything new for this week. It's only revisions and only the old answers which I have already given we are revising. Okay, so let's start. Did Mr. McGregor catch Peter? No, he could not. Peter was very fast to escape from the hands of Mr. McGregor, so he could not catch him. Okay. 7. Whom did Peter meet in the garden apart from the gardener? Peter met friendly sparrows and an old mouse in the garden. So who were the two people, or who were the two animals which Peter met? Number 1 is the sparrow, and number 2 is the old mouse. Was they helpful in any way? Old mouse could not help because he had a big pea inside her mouth, and sparrows were very friendly, and sparrows came when Peter was sobbing, when Peter was crying silently, and came as a help. Okay. 8. What was Mr. McGregor doing when he saw Peter? Mr. McGregor was on his hands and knees planting young cabbages when he saw Peter. Children, what do you mean by hands and knees? That means when you sit down on the floor or on the field with your knees and your hands are there on the planting place, like on the soil, full of soil. So that's called that is his hands and knees planting young cabbages. So he was busy with his hands and with his knees for planting cabbages which were young. So that was a very beautiful garden of Mr. McGregor. Question number 9. Where did Peter get caught while escaping? Who came for his help? Peter got caught into a gooseberry net, and who came for help? Some friendly sparrows. See, I told you that the sparrows were his friends. So some friendly sparrows overheard his sob. Sob means crying, and came for his help or aid. Help. What is the other word of help? Is aid. Question number 10. How did Peter find his way to the garden? So Peter found his way to the garden when he climbed on the wheelbarrow. I have shown you a picture of wheelbarrow. Yes, it's a kind of a wheel machine kind of thing which is used in the garden to store gardening things. To see what Mr. McGregor was doing, he saw that the gardener was sitting with his back turned towards the gate. So the gate was just in front of the gardener. The gate was here, and then was the gardener at the back, and then at the back of the gardener Peter was standing. So what did we learn from the story, which all we know already by now? That is, we learned that we should obey our parents and elders so that we don't land into trouble. So what do we learn? We learn that we should always obey our parents, we should love them, we should listen to them, and also we should not fall into trouble, and also make them face that. Okay, so that's all for today, children. We all will get back in the next video with the one sentence answer. We will revise it. Okay, we'll revise Peter nicely, and only from the book and copy. Okay, be happy everyone, and take care.